We love getting and sharing feedback from our satisfied customers. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer service experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else.
This is the very best company around. They are very professional, kind, friendly, and top-notch work. We are always a customer for life. If you need work done, this is the team to call. They do the work they say and don't cut corners or lie like I've seen with other companies. They truly go the extra mile for their customers. Alex and Bobby are the best.
Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value your business and we want to show you why. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you, and we're only a call away from serving you.